Before I dress now the character, I will save it in my library. So click on the plus button and give it a name. Maybe my figure or something like this. So now it's saved in our library. Inside of character creator we have a lot of options we can dress the character now. So click on cloth and here we can find all the cloth parts. Depending on what you have installed, this can be very different. With a double click here maybe on this boxer short, we add this to the character. In case it's sitting not correctly, you can conform this. So click on conform, increase the size maybe, and click on calculate collision. Now it's working a bit better here on this character, but I delete this here. This was only an example. You can try out other template stuff here, maybe this one. Okay, I delete this too. Okay, so I click now on the next category and give it a trouser or a jeans maybe. So double click on this jeans and voila. Also I conform this a bit. So click on conform, increase the size, and again click on calculate collision. So far so good. So in the next step I will give this character the shoes. So click on the shoes tab and choose here some shoes that works on the character. Maybe this one. I double click here and let me take a look. Yes, this is looking okay. Alright. So now I will add a t-shirt or a long sleeve. I choose this one. I think this will working good on this character. Yes, look at that, really cool. So from the distance it looks good, but let me zoom in and here we can see now an intersection. That's why we can conform this. So click on conform, increase the size and click again on calculate collision to fix this problem. Cool. Okay, here on the back side we can see some decoys. I will show you in a second how you can remove this, for example. So get sure the shirt is selected, then click here and activate the appearance editor. In this editor we can adjust the long sleeve even more, but for this example let us remove both decoys. So I go down and open this list here and we can see here the decoy, choose none to remove it, and also for the other textures, for the normal map and for the specular map, choose none, and for the USA sign we search here the right channel and choose also none here. This is the diffuse part, choose none for the normal part and none for the specular part. Really cool. Okay. So, as I mentioned, this is only an example. In case you have installed more, play around with other outfits. Maybe you find something that you like a bit more. But for our case, let us say this is working. Now let us send the character to Iclone. Simply click on this button. And you can see when you open Iclone, the stream is loading. And here we go. Great. Now we have a complete new character outside from Death Studio inside of Iclone that we can animate here. So I add this character here to my character templates. So I give it a name, maybe test. Alright, in the next lection we animate this a bit. See you then. Bye.